Welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to invest in the stock market in 2025 and want to maximize your returns, this video is for you. So, I tell you, if you want to invest in a stock market in 2025, then this video is for you. And keep your mind open. Does not support any risk. So today I will share some of the best stock to invest in that have a strong growth potential. These stocks are chosen based on their market trends, financial performance, and future potential. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, this guide will help you make informed decisions. Make sure to watch till the end because I will also share some key investment strategy that can help you grow your wealth faster. So, first of all, understanding the stock market in 2025. Before jumping into a specific stocks, it is important to understand the market trends for 2025. The stock market is constantly evolving, and successful investors always look at long-term trends. In 2025, major industries like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, electric vehicles, and healthcare technology are expected to grow rapidly. Companies in these sectors have a strong potential for high returns, and investing in them at the right time can lead to significant profits. Best stock for massive income returns in 2025. So, one of the most promising sectors for investment in 2025 is artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries like software, automation, and data analysis. So, companies that are leading in AI development are expected to see massive growth. Some of the top companies in the space have already made a strong gains, but they still have a lot of room for expansion. The second major sector to watch is electric vehicles. With government around the world pushing for clean energy, the EV industry is booming. The companies that are focusing on battery technology and sustainable transportation will continue to attract investors. Some of the biggest automakers are heavily investing in electric vehicle production, and this will create opportunity for investors who enter the market yearly. And another key sector is renewable energy. The demand for clean and sustainable energy is increasing rapidly. Solar and wind energy companies are expected to grow significantly in the coming years as more countries shift towards green energy solutions. Companies that are involved in manufacturing panels, wind turbines, and energy storage solutions have a strong potential for long-term growth. So, the healthcare and biotech sector is another area to consider. With evident advancement in medical technology and research, biotech companies are creating innovative treatments and medicines that are improving lives. The demand for healthcare services continues to rise, and companies that focus on breakthrough medical research will attract major investments. Investing in technology stocks is also a smart move to for 2025. Companies that provide cloud computing, cybersecurity, and digital services are seeing high demand as businesses continue to move online. The digital economy is expanding, and companies that are leaders in software development, online security, and automation will remain a strong investment options. How to choose the right stocks? When investing in stocks, it is important to analyze the company's financial health, market position, and growth potential. Look at the company's earning reports, revenue trends, and future expansion plans. A strong company usually have a track record of increasing profits, a solid customer base, and a clear strategy for growth. Another important factor to consider is risk management. While high growth stocks have the potential to deliver massive returns, they also come with risk. It is always a good idea to diversify your investment instead of putting all your money into one stock. Spread your investments across multiple sectors. This way, you reduce the risk of losing money if one industry faces a downturn. Investment strategy for maximum returns. One of the best strategy for making money in the stock market is long-term investing. Instead of trying to time and market and make quick profits, focus on holding quality stocks for several years. Many successful investors build wealth by investing in strong companies and letting their investment grow over time. Another strategy is dividend investing. Some companies pay dividends on their shareholders, which means you can earn passive income while your stocks increase in value. Dividend stocks are a great way to create a steady income stream while benefiting from long-term growth. Investing in index funds and ETFs is also a good option for those who want to lower risk investment. These funds allow you to invest in a group of stocks rather than just one, providing diversification and reducing risk. Many ETFs focus on high growth sectors like technology, healthcare, and clean energy, making them a great choice for 2025. So now, conclusion is investing in stocks is one of the best ways to build wealth, but it requires knowledge and patience. The key to success is choosing a strong companies, diversifying your investments, and staying updated with market trends. Whether you are investing in AI, electric vehicles, renewable energy, or healthcare, the opportunities for growth in 2025 are huge. Make sure to do your research and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments which stock you are most excited about. So write in the comment box. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.